85-year-old Linda Gural says the amount of her pension at 2,000 pesos is barely enough to cover her own needs.
Kasi may diferensya din ba ako, sir, may ako high blood eh. Yung tira ko, wala rin natitira.
But she's also helping support her 6 grandchildren, plus 1 son.
Wala namang hanap buhay yung anak ko na yun. Kaya yan, gagasto sa pagkain. Kung may mga yung apo ko, pag nagkukulang sila, binibigyan ko rin.
She offers hilot services for some extra income. For food, she eats rice and salt to save money.
Paano kang kakain nun? Wala nang ulam. Kakain din, tiisin mo na lang asin.
Labor groups say the president should sign the SSS pension hike bill as soon as possible to help SSS members like Linda. The bill raises SSS pensions by 2,000 pesos across the board. This benefits about 1.9 million pensioners. The bill has been on the president's desk since December 15, but he has not signed it.
Hindi ko talaga maintindihan kung bakit nadidelay yun, no? Lalo na't hindi naman budget ng national government ang gagamitin dyan, kundi pondo ng SSS.
The president has 3 options, either to veto it, sign it, or let it lapse into law. Under the Constitution, a bill becomes law if the president neither vetoes or signs it after 30 days. Aquino has until Friday to act on the bill, or it lapses into law. The SSS, for its part, is concerned the pension hike may leave it cash-strapped by 2029. But one lawmaker disagrees.
Sana ang mandato ng SSS, pahabayan ng buhay ng miyembro, hindi pahabayan ng buhay ng pondo. Walang SSS na nababankrupt sa buong mundo. Never.
To protect the SSS fund, labor groups say the government should run after delinquent employers who don't remit SSS contributions. They also say SSS officials should cut their hefty bonuses and return the money to the pension fund. SSS officials declined to comment, saying they would rather wait for the president's decision. In a statement released 2 days ago, the agency assures SSS members there will be no hike in required contributions. For the meantime, Linda has to get by on her measly pension just to make ends meet. Rex Remitio, CNN Philippines.